This video will discuss MCQs from 426 to 450. MCQs number 426. In which year was the All India Muslim League reorganized under Jinnah leadership? The answer is 1934. MCQs number 427. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of the August of 1940? The answer is Lord Linlithgow. MCQs number 428. In which year was the Cripps mission sent to India? The answer is 1942. MCQs number 429. Which plan proposed the partition of Punjab and Bengal before independence? The answer is 3rd June plan, which is presented by Mountbatten plan. MCQs number 430. In which year was the Indian Independence Act passed by the British Parliament? The answer is 1947. MCQs number 431. Which article of the 1973 Constitution defines the ideology of Pakistan? The answer is Objective Resolution, article number 2A. MCQs number 432. In which year was the first military operation in Balochistan conducted after independence? The answer is 1948. MCQs number 433. Who was the first Chief of Army Staff of Pakistan? The answer is General Frank Misrvi. MCQs number 434. In which year did Pakistan become a member of the World Bank? The answer is 1950. MCQs number 435. Which article of the Constitution deals with the appointment of the governors? The answer is Article 101. MCQs number 436. In which year was the third constitutional amendment passed? The answer is 1975. MCQs number 437. Which Pakistani Prime Minister signed the Indus Water Treaty? The answer is President Ayub Khan. MCQs number 438. In which year was the Economic Reforms Order issued by General Musharraf? The answer is 1999. MCQs number 439. Which article provides for joint sitting of Parliament? The answer is Article 70. MCQs number 440. In which year was the Pak-Iran gas pipelines agreement initially signed? The answer is 2010. MCQs number 441. Which river joined the Indus near Mithankot? The answer is Panjnad River. MCQs number 442. In which year was the Federal Investigation Agency FIA established? The answer is 1974. MCQs number 443. Who was the Chief Justice during the Lawyers Movement restoration in 2009? The answer is Justice Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhry. MCQs number 444. In which year was the 24th Constitutional Amendment passed? The answer is 2017. MCQs number 445. Which Pakistani port handles the largest volume of cargo? The answer is Karachi Port. MCQs number 446. In which year did Pakistan recognize the People's Republic of China? The answer is 1950. MCQs number 447. Which article of the Constitution deals with the National Security Committee? The answer is Article 152. MCQs number 448. In which year was the first OIC Summit Conference held? The answer is 1969. MCQs number 449. Which glacier is the longest outside the polar region located in Pakistan? The answer is Siachen Glacier. MCQs number 450. Last but not the least. In which year was the 20th Constitutional Amendment passed? The answer is 2012. In this video we have discussed MCQs from 426 to 450. I hope that MCQs will be helpful for your preparation. In the next coming video we will discuss MCQs from 451 to 475. Thanks for watching.